Okay, a lot of times looking at these things, you might misunderstand what they're asking you to do. But it says compute the total area of the infinitely many triangles in the figure. So the triangles are starting out, you got this one here, then this one here, this one here, this one here. But there's an infinite number, and they certainly get smaller as you go on. So what I'd like to do is just talk about the area of a triangle, right? The area of the triangle. So let me erase this over here. And the area of a triangle, pretty simple, by the way. The area of a triangle is going to be, any given triangle, is going to be 1/2 times the base times the height. Well, what I know about these triangles here, the heights are always going to be the number 1. The bases are changing, by the way. So every single triangle, right, the base changes, but the height doesn't change. So it's really going to be, for these particular triangles, every single triangle is going to be 1/2 times the base. That's all it is, because the height is 1. So I got to write that down. And if I write it down, I'm looking at it, it looks computable to me. So what I want to do is talk about the bases over here. And the way I do it might be different than the way you do it, but I got to write the sum down. And let me erase this over here. And I know that every triangle is going to have 1/2 in it. Every single one, by the way. All I got to do is figure out the bases now. And I'm hoping there's a simple pattern to it. So the first one I notice is going to be, I'm going to say it's 1 minus the lower. All right, I'll write that down for you. So it's going to be 1 minus 1/2 plus, let's do the next one. The next one is going to be 1/2 minus the lower, 1/4. What's the next one going to be? 1/4 minus 1/8. I think you get the idea that this thing's going to keep going. Oh, you know what? I didn't realize this. The height's 3. Sorry about that. I thought it was 1. All right? The height's always 3. All right, so I got this, goes on forever. All right. I got to figure this out now, looking at it. And I see something, and it looks pretty strange to me. But let's write it down. And I'm seeing something that looks, roughly, I got a little more room over here. It's 3/2. And let me write this down as 1 minus 1/2. Notice I'm not going to do the arithmetic. Plus 1/2 minus 1/4 plus 1/4 minus 1/8. Right, what would the next term be? That look difficult, isn't it? But I think I can do it. It would be, let's see, 1/8. So plus 1/8 minus 1/16. I think I'm seeing something. All right, so what are you seeing over there? I'm seeing, like, these terms over here, they just keep disappearing. Right? You just see that keep disappearing. So what are we really left off with? 3/2 times 1, which is 3/2. Want to see over there? 3/2. And we're done.